Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video. And before I tell you about this amazing product which is gonna not just light up your life but make it colorful as well. So before I tell you that, can I please request you to press the subscribe button and the notification icon and give us a thumbs up if you like the video and the introduction, and we will tell you all about the technology industry products every day, every week. So guys, press the subscribe button, press the notification icon, and I'm gonna light up your life with TP-Link's Tapo. Now this is the new addition to their home automation products. They always had these amazing LED bulbs which were there, and this is the latest model which is Tapo L530E. Now I'm going to open this box, take the bulb out and tell you all about it right in a minute. So let's get on to unboxing it. That is probably the quickest unboxing I've ever done. This is the product and the user manual with some basic technical information which is there. So here you go guys, I'm going to keep this on the side and keep this box right here so that we can continue to look at it. So guys, this is Tapo L530E, the new bulb which is a Wi-Fi bulb. So first, it's, as you can see, it's an E27 socket which is easily usable in the UAE. Most of the UAE households have the E27 socket. Beautifully, this can light up your life because it's got multicolor scenario which you can customize according to your liking. You can customize the brightness, you can customize the light temperature, and you can choose from 16 million hues. So that is just awesome. And it is a 60 watt output. So 60 watt equivalent means it gives you 806 lumens of white brightness and a dimming range of 1% to 100%. So all you have to do is plug it in and you are good to go. So you can just download the Tapo app, connect the bulb, and you don't need any additional thing. No additional hub required, which is normally was in the old generation ones where you needed a hub to control all this. You don't need that at all. Now, when you have the Tapo app, when you've installed this bulb, when you set it up, you can set it up to your convenience in terms of what time you want it on, what time you want it off. You can have the light settings to be pre-saved as well. You can schedule and time as well. You can create schedules for turning on, turning off, or different brightness and colors at different times depending on your mood every day, so or your day-to-day work routine. So which means you can just simply set it up on a movie night, to go dim on a particular color, and that will do for you if you have a fixed movie night in your household, which you should. I think it's COVID times, we're spending a lot of time at home. Having a little bit of discipline with the kids and a little bit of entertainment with friends and family is amazing. Keep safe distance though. So it also has the sunrise and sunset mode, which automatically activates according to the time zone you're in, which it reads from the app and from your Wi-Fi network. Now this connects to your home Wi-Fi very easily, and you can voice control it as well. You can manage the lights with your voice commands using Alexa or Google Assistant. So all you have to do is just say, hey Google, turn the lights down by 50%, and it will do it for you. How amazing is that? You can actually impress a lot of friends when you do that. So get yourself one right away, or get yourself many. Change all of them in your house. So if you want them all white, all yellow, or any color of your choice, it's great for the kids' rooms, I believe. I think, kids are really colorful and it goes really well. And if you are into interiors or any creative business, to have these bulbs in your office to set up the lighting, to bring out that creativity in different colors, brilliant work done there as well. It has the away mode as well, so you can stimulate the lighting just to scare off, the unwanted visitors, just in case. So it has that mode as well. And your Tapo app also acts as a remote control, and you can set it up using the same app fairly easily as you mentioned. So guys, this is a great product. I'm going to plug this into my house, and then I'm going to take some shoots on setting it up and everything and share it with you so that you can know complete story right from the beginning. So guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist, and I'm signing off with Tapo L530E, the bulb that will add a lot of color and brightness in your life. Keep yourself safe. Peace.